Whole house fan saves homeowners up to 50 to 90% off their AC usage, depending on climate zone and cooling habits. Homeowners can spend as much as $2 to $5 an hour to run their AC in the summer months of the year, versus an average of less than 15 cents an hour with a quiet cool system. Even with the most expensive and energy-efficient AC system, whole house fan can still save homeowners huge amounts of money. Whole house fan wasn't designed to completely eliminate AC, as it will still be needed on extremely hot days and nights, when it's warmer through the early evening and night. But with a whole house fan, you can decrease the amount of AC that you use throughout the year, and during the summer months, people often ask us how we can make the claim that homeowners can save up 50 to 90% off their AC-related energy costs. The Department of Energy states that whole house fans are the most cost-effective way to cool your home, saving homeowners up to 50 to 90%. UCLA did a study a few years ago that states that AC can be eliminated in 10 of the 16 California climate zones with a whole house fan. Even in a hot climate like Phoenix, Arizona, and Houston, Texas, or a humid climate like Miami, Florida, where it might not be ideal to run a whole house fan during the summer. You can almost eliminate the usage of AC during the spring, fall, and winter, saving thousands of hours of AC runtime. This can help prolong the life of your AC system and your roof structure by up to 20 to 30 years. These combined replacements would cost anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000. We've compared all the top green energy products on the market today. Whole house fan is arguably one of the fastest return on investments in the industry. If you are paying cash, solar can take up to 15 years for a return on investment. In contrast, a whole house fan system paid in cash can have a positive return on investment in under 2 years. And if financed, a positive return on investment can be had from day one, compared to other green energy products that can take 7 to 15 years before homeowners break even. This is a huge deal. A typical investment scenario would be that a system costs $1,500 to install. If the homeowner saves $1,000 a year in electricity costs, their ROI is 1.5 years for customers that finance a system. A $1,500 system would be as low as $30 a month. Let's say the customer has a $250 electricity bill before whole house fan, and after whole house fan, their bill is only $150. This means that after they make their financing payment, they have a positive cash flow of $70 per month. Very few energy-efficient upgrades for the home can claim positive cash flow from day one, but a whole house fan can. Today, the whole house fan is recognized as the top green energy product when it comes to saving cooling-related electricity costs, as well as its quick return on investment.